Hi Dai! It's Motivation Monday. I see posts like this from pages and people I follow on social media. I believe this is so true and is happening. There's so much noise on the internet coming from the people or organizations who are either misinformed, lack the knowledge, or just wanted to talk nonsense. The noise is drowning out the voices of reason, knowledge, and wisdom. We should block out the noise and seek out the voices. Those voices deserve our attention. I'm so glad we are reading a book by Jordan Peterson, one of the great voices on the internet. I'm just in the beginning of his book, and I can feel the reason, knowledge, and wisdom rushing in. Thanks for reading it to me, Dai.